So we're on our way to Pompeii. We had an express train ticket that we paid for. We got on the wrong train, so now we're in Campo Leon. I don't know where that is, but we got off the train because we heard an announcement that says if we didn't have a valid ticket, there could be a fine up to 200 euros. So we're off the train. We bought another ticket back to Rome. We're gonna see what we can do from there. So stay tuned. All right, so now we have a new plan. We threw away our tickets that back to Rome, so we bought the correct tickets for the first train that we were on, and we're just gonna go ahead and do that.
We used our dinner money.
It's only gonna take us about 2.5 hours to get there, and we'll see how this works out. All right, so we got on the wrong train again. We're back in Rome. We just spent another 200 euros to get the fast train. We'll see if we're ever gonna make it there, I don't know. Okay, so this is our ticket. This is where we're at. This is our ticket. This is where we're at. If this goes wrong again, then I'm just gonna say they're fucking with us. This definitely looks like a faster train than that jalopy we were on earlier, so I think we got it right this time. So we were supposed to get to Pompeii at 8:30. We're gonna get there at 11:30. And it cost us about $60, 60 euros more than it was supposed to. So, still should be a good day though. All right, we made it to Naples, finally. Next stop, Pompeii. Well, we almost got on the wrong train again. Luckily, Amanda realized at the last second that we just needed the local train because I don't know where we were getting ready to go. I think we got it now. Should be Pompeii next stop. Finally made it to Pompeii. Our mistake was
it was a lot.
There is 2 trains that go to Naples. One is the express train and one is the local train. We were supposed to be on the express train, but we got on the local train, and that's where all the problems started. And then of course when you get to Naples, you got to go past the express trains to get to the local trains here too. But we did make it. Hold on. I'm gonna show everybody.
when it rains, it would flood, and then instead of having to walk through the water in the center, they just step on the rocks to cross the street so they don't get their feet wet.
Show them how it's done again. Boom.
Did I do that like an old lady?
back to Naples with no problem. We have double checked and triple checked our train back to Rome, so we know where we're supposed to go. Well, we think we know where we're supposed to go. We don't have a gate yet, but I think we got there. Then we double checked and triple checked again. We're at gate 16. This is for sure our train.
Yes, we did.
This is for sure. We've asked people. We know we're going the right way. It says it right there. Even though it says Brescia, it is the right train because we thought we were going to get on the wrong train again. But no, it's all good. It's supposed to say. As you guys can see, we did make it back to the hotel.
Yeah.
All in one piece. The time we were supposed to get back. We did everything right on the way back. What did you guys think about Pompeii?
It was amazing. Pretty cool.
It's really good. A lot of cobblestone.
Yeah. Quick. We got through quick.
We only had 2 hours. We planned on 4, but we only got 2 hours there. But we still got to see all the highlights in 2 hours. So it was a lot of fun. And we made it back.